Question is, let the domain of the function, this is one function and this function. One is logarithmic function, one is inverse trigonometric function. Then we have to find the value of alpha beta. Four options are given to, one of the option is correct. In this case, first of all, I define domain is set of all values of x for which function is defined. And if y equal to fx, log of fx, it is defined if fx is greater than 0. Our log starts from here. Log starts from here. Means log of 5, 7 minus log of 2, x square minus 10x plus 85. इसके लिए fx हो गया ना ये, it is fx for this. This should be greater than 0. Means 7 minus log of 2, x square minus 10x plus 85 greater than 5 की power 0, that is 1. Now rearranging, this is 7 minus, so log of 2 x square minus 10x plus 85. इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया, ये इधर आया, तो दिस विल बिकम लेस देन 6. That is antilog x square minus 10x plus 85 less than 2 की power 6. इन इक्वेशन साइन चेंज होता जब यहां बेस लेस देन 1 होता. Base will not change. That is 64. Now, x square minus 10x plus 85 minus 64 less than 0. On further simplification, x square minus 10x plus 85, that is 21 less than 0. X minus 7, x minus 3 less than 0. ये सिंप्लीफाई कर गया, x belongs to open interval 3, 7. This is domain of part 1. This domain of this part is 1. Now we have to find the domain of sine of inverse x. Now to find the domain of sine of inverse mod, that is 3x minus 7, 17 minus x. 3x minus 7, 17 minus x. As we know, sine inverse x domain है x less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. This is, now in this case, 3x minus 7, 17 minus x, 1 by 1 ले लीजिए. 3x minus 7 upon 17 minus x minus 1. तो 3x minus 7, ये इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया, प्लस 17 minus x upon 17 minus x equal to 0. Then this comes out to be 2x plus 14 upon x minus 17. X common लिया, negative but चेंज हो जाएगा. In this case, minus 7 and 17. Minus 7, x belongs to minus 7 and 17. एक पार्ट ही आ गया. Second part में this comes out to be minus 7 and this will be 10. This will be 10 minus 5. This will be 10 minus 10. In this case, 3x minus 7 upon 17 minus x less than equal to 1. 3x minus 7 minus 17 plus x divided by 17 minus x less than 0. Then on simplification, this comes out to be 4x minus 24 upon x minus 17, 0. x कॉमन नेगेटिव साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, x इक्वल टू 6 आया, आउटसाइड रहेगा 6 and 17, 6 and 17, 6 and 17, इधर और इधर, माइनस इंफिनिटी प्लस इंफिनिटी. अब इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन निकालेंगे टू फाइंड द डोमेन. टू फाइंड द डोमेन, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दिस विल बी, इधर जाएंगे, कब तक जाएंगे, -5 and 6, -5 and 6, x will belong to -5 and 6. This is equation 2. Equation 1 is this one. Common of these will be, one है हमारा, x belongs to 3, 7, this one. So common will be 3, 6, 3, 6. That is equal to alpha, beta. So alpha equal to 3, beta equal to 6, alpha plus beta equal to 9. That is our answer. Again repeating the concept. Here are two functions are given to you. One is log function, one is sine of inverse function. Log function, log is defined only for positive real number. That so starting हमारे यहाँ से this should be greater than, इसको simplify करते करते करते. Sine inverse x डोमेन होती है, x should be belongs to the -1 to 1 close interval. उसको simplify करते हुए दो आंसर निकल के आए. दो आंसर निकलने के बाद हमने उसको conclude किया. conclude करने के बाद दोनों 1 और 2 में जो कॉमन है वो निकाल दिया. तो वो निकालने के बाद हमारा जो आंसर है अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू 9. लेट्स चेक द आंसर. बी इज द correct option. Right? Next question. In this session, we have gone through the concept of this and this using illustration taken from JEE Main PYQ 2026. If any doubt, please comment. Further, we are going to discuss the concept of range of Signum function through illustrations taken from JEE Main 2026. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल से सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर कलीग्स एंड फ्रेंड्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Question is sum of all elements in the range of signum sin x plus signum cos x plus signum tan x plus signum cot x, where x is not equal to n pi by 2 and belongs to Z. Purpose of this is all functions are defined, where signum is defined like this. Answer is 1 if t greater than 0, answer is -1 if t less than 0. Four options are given, one of the option is correct. Signum function. Function domain is R and range is -1, 0, 1. Now, in the given question, it is sum of four functions: signum sin x plus signum cos x plus signum tan x plus signum cot x. Now, before we start, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. All positive, sine and cosec positive, tan and cot positive, sec and cos positive. Now, if the x belongs to quadrant 1, then positive आंसर आएगा 1 + 1 + 1 + 1, दैट इज 4. और क्वाड्रेंट सेकंड है तो क्या आएगा? साइन पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, 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 -2. क्वाड्रेंट थर्ड में है तो tan और cot पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव, 0. एंड क्वाड्रेंट 4 है अगर तो cos and cos पॉजिटिव, तो नेगेटिव प्लस negative, negative, that is -2. Range of the function is, therefore, range of function is -2, 0 और 4. This is the range. ये तीन आंसर आएंगे. Therefore, sum, what we have to find it out? Sum of all the elements in the range of sum of all elements. So sum will be -2 + 0 + 4. That is 2 is the answer. Let's check. A is the correct option, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.